Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the clouds of Neptune? Imagine plunging into this azure giant, a world of mystery and extreme conditions. Neptune, the eighth planet from our Sun, beckons with its beauty, but it holds secrets that would spell doom for any visitor. Neptune's vivid blue hue is captivating. This color comes from methane in its atmosphere, a gas that absorbs red light and reflects blue, but this beauty is a facade, hiding a world of unimaginable hostility. Join us as we journey into the heart of this enigmatic giant. Neptune's beauty is more than just skin deep. Its atmosphere is a mesmerizing spectacle of swirling clouds and raging storms. But this beauty is a siren song, luring the unsuspecting towards a fate more terrifying than any nightmare. Let's dive deeper, past the mesmerizing clouds, and uncover the truth about this distant giant. What would it be like to fall into Neptune? Hold your breath because the journey is about to get rough. Neptune is a giant dwarfing our home planet. It's over 4 times wider than Earth and a whopping 17 times more massive. To put that in perspective, if Earth were a nickel, Neptune would be about the size of a volleyball. This enormous size is our first clue to the extreme forces at play on this distant world. Located a staggering 2.8 billion miles from the Sun, Neptune is an ice giant. Its distance means it receives very little sunlight, making it one of the coldest places in our solar system. But don't let the ice in ice giant fool you. Neptune isn't a giant ball of ice skating across space. Instead of a solid surface, Neptune has a thick atmosphere that transitions into a slushy, icy interior. This strange mixture is made up mostly of water, ammonia, and methane, all swirling under immense pressure. And as we'll soon discover, this pressure is key to understanding the true nature of Neptune's hellish environment. So we've established that Neptune is big, cold, and has no solid ground to stand on. But what would it actually feel like to fall into this alien world? Let's take the plunge and find out. Imagine yourself for a moment plummeting through Neptune's atmosphere. The first thing you'd notice is the lack of a solid surface. You'd keep falling, the blue haze of the atmosphere enveloping you. But this is no gentle descent. As you fall deeper, the atmospheric pressure begins to crush you. On Earth, we live comfortably at the bottom of a sea of air, but on Neptune, this sea becomes an oppressive force, hundreds of times stronger than what we experience on Earth. Your body, designed for Earth's gentle embrace, would begin to buckle under this relentless pressure. The temperature wouldn't offer any solace either. At the top of the atmosphere, it's a frigid negative 361 degrees Fahrenheit. That's cold enough to freeze your blood and turn your bones brittle. And as you descend, the temperature doesn't get much better. The pressure might increase the heat, but you'd be long gone before you felt any warmth. So you're being crushed and frozen, but the horrors of Neptune don't stop there. Let's talk about the wind. Neptune is home to the fastest winds in the solar system. These winds, whipped into a frenzy by the planet's internal heat and rapid rotation, can reach speeds of over 1,300 miles per hour. That's twice the speed of sound on Earth. To put it mildly, these winds are not your friendly neighborhood breeze. Imagine being caught in a hurricane-force wind. Now, multiply that force by 10, maybe 20. That's what it's like on Neptune. You'd be tossed around like a rag doll, your body battered and bruised by the sheer force of the wind. These winds are more than just strong, they're unpredictable. They whip around the planet, creating massive storms that dwarf anything we've ever seen on Earth. One such storm, the Great Dark Spot, was once large enough to contain the entire Earth. It's safe to say that you wouldn't want to get caught in one of these Neptunian tempests. But amidst this chaos, something beautiful and terrifying occurs, a phenomenon unlike anything we've ever seen on Earth. Prepare yourself, because we're about to enter the realm of diamond rain. Section 5. Diamond showers in hell. Deep within Neptune's atmosphere, where the pressure is thousands of times that of Earth's surface, something incredible happens. The methane in the atmosphere, under immense pressure and heat, breaks down. The carbon atoms then bond together, forming pure crystallized carbon, in other words, diamonds. These diamonds, some perhaps as large as hailstones, fall towards Neptune's core in a dazzling, deadly shower. Imagine the sparkle, the brilliance. But don't be fooled by this dazzling display. These diamonds are just another deadly aspect of Neptune's unforgiving environment. Remember those intense winds we talked about? Now imagine them carrying a barrage of diamond hailstones. It would be like flying through a sandblaster, except instead of sand, you're being pelted with diamonds. Not exactly a pleasant way to go. So we've explored the crushing pressure, the freezing temperatures, the violent winds, and the diamond rain. It's pretty clear that Neptune is no place for a human, but what lies beneath this chaotic atmosphere? What secrets does Neptune hold deep within its heart? Section 6. The Heart of the Unknown. While we can't see past Neptune's turbulent atmosphere, scientists believe that deep down it harbors a superheated, incredibly dense core. This core, thought to be about the size of Earth, is likely made up of rock and ice, compressed under unimaginable pressure. This core is the engine that drives Neptune's extreme weather. It radiates heat, which churns the atmosphere above, creating the monstrous winds and storms that rage across the planet. It's a chaotic ballet of heat and pressure, a dance that has been going on for billions of years. But the core isn't the only mystery Neptune holds. Scientists are also puzzled by its magnetic field. This field, which is tilted at a strange angle compared to Neptune's rotation, is thought to be generated by the movement of electrically conductive fluids deep within the planet. These fluids, likely a mixture of water, ammonia, and methane, create a dynamo effect as they move, generating a magnetic field that envelops the entire planet. But the exact nature of this dynamo and how it creates such a strange magnetic field remains a mystery. Section 7. A Universe of Mysteries. Neptune, despite its beauty and allure, is a stark reminder of the vastness and hostility of our universe. It's a world of extremes, where the very forces that make life possible on Earth would tear us apart, but it's also a world of wonder, a place that challenges our understanding of what a planet can be. As we continue to explore our solar system and beyond, we're bound to encounter more worlds like Neptune, worlds that defy our expectations, that force us to rethink our place in the cosmos. And while we may never set foot on these alien worlds, studying them from afar can teach us invaluable lessons about the universe we inhabit. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see a faint blue dot, remember Neptune. Remember its beauty, its power, and its mysteries. And remember that there's still so much out there waiting to be discovered. But for now, let's leave the exploration to the robots, because as we've learned today, some places are best admired from a safe distance. Section 8. Keep exploring. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Neptune. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the heart of an ice giant. If you're hungry for more cosmic adventures, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got a universe of mysteries to uncover, and we can't wait to share them with you. Until next time, keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep exploring the universe around us. Because the cosmos is full of wonders just waiting to be discovered.